Today we are going to draw a cute baby hippo together. Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. And let's start. First, draw 2 big ovals for the eyes. Now, inside each eye, draw a curved line for the pupil. And draw tiny white circles to make them shiny. Now color the pupils black. Leave the little circles white so the eyes look bright and cute. Awesome job! Draw the top of the nose. Now draw 2 small oval shapes on the nose. These are the nostrils. Under the nose, draw a soft curved line. This makes a happy smiling mouse. Now add the ears, one on this side. Whenever you need, pause the video and draw. And one on that side. Great! Add 2 soft curved lines on both sides of the face to make the cheeks look puffy and cute. Okay, moving down. Draw the body, arms, and legs. Now draw the body starting from the right side. Draw the right arm and leg first. Make the body round and cute. Follow my lines and draw with me. Then continue drawing tummy and finally draw the left arm and leg. Wow, look at that! Draw the tail on the back side. Now draw 2 small oval shapes on the cheeks. These will be the cute blush cheeks. Now let's color our hippo. Color the body light gray. Color the inside of the ears pink. Color the cheeks light pink. Awesome! And now we have a cute baby hippo.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye!